Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome. So this evening I'm throwing another tutorial at you guys. I'll be going over the Switch once more, and so I'll be showing you guys how you can customize your Nintendo Switch by installing custom themes. Now bear in mind guys that you do have to have custom firmware for this. If you don't have custom firmware, then this tutorial is not going to work out for you. Alright, just keep that in mind. And so yeah. Here in a second, guys, I'm finna hop on over to the computer, and I'm gonna start from scratch. I'll download a picture image, guys, and by using these two programs, I'll be converting that picture image over to where it's compatible with the Switch, and then installing it onto the Switch. I am rocking a custom theme right now, guys. It's really cool looking. So if you would just check it out with me real quick. I call this the Red Claw. That's what I call it. So if you're scrolling over all the way over to all firmware, and I hit the A button there, and you really can't see the theme in this area, guys, because of all the games all in the way. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that it don't really do any good on this section here. But let's hit the home button there, guys, and let's go into settings because you can really see it there. Let's go into settings, and as you can see, there's my theme there. It really matches my Switch because I have gray Joy-Cons, and my, of course, the Switch is black. So I'm gonna scroll all the way down to system, and as you can see, I'm running 5.1. So that's the firmware I'm on right now, and so. Alright, so let's hit the home button, and now we'll jump over to the computer, guys, and I'll show you how to install a custom theme, man. Really cool. Alright. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and we'll get this ball rolling. So what I have here, guys, I've got a couple programs that I had archived up that I gotten from various sites. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys where I got all those files from, and then I'm going to show you guys where I've uploaded this particular archive to, which is a MediaFire site. So let's go ahead and we'll mosey on over to our web browser here, and I'll show you. If you're not familiar with something like this, this is a Discord site, guys, and this is actually Cushin's Discord site. I will have his invite code in the description. So guys, try to join his Discord because he's got some goodies down through here. He really does. If you come down here to tutorials, there's a couple files in which I downloaded from here. I'm finna show you. The BNTX editor I had downloaded from here. Also the Switch Theme Injector version 2 I had downloaded from here. Alright, if you're scrolling down a bit, you actually have some instructions on how to get things done, how to create your custom theme. For 5.1, this is for 5.1 here, guys, and if you're on 6.0, you can come over here and click 6.0, and there's your instructions for that. So I made a text document. I copied all the instructions, everything, guys, so it's all in the archive. So, but if you want to come here, it's fine, guys. Just if you want to go that route and download everything yourself, that's cool, man. Whatever. So yeah, those two files you're definitely going to need there, guys. So let's close it out. And now what we're going to do, we're going to go over here to downloads because there's something here that we're going to need. Actually, two things. You're going to need this file right here. This is a common.szs file, and there's a program that we're going to use that we're going to extract a BNTX file out of this. Okay, so we're definitely going to need that. And then if you scroll on down, we're going to need this zip file here. This is actually a theme right here, but we just need a directory structure out of this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually download this right now. I'm going to download it to the desktop. Alright, I'll be showing you all this here in a second. Alright, but this right here is included in the in my in my archive, okay? So don't worry about that. This right here, guys, this is my MediaFire site, my personal upload. It's only 23 megabytes. So if you want to go this route, guys, go ahead. It's cool. Either way, it doesn't matter to me. Okay. All right. Let's go back out and see if that. Okay, here it is right here. So we're going to leave this out for a second. All right. But what we're going to do now. This is the folder that we're going to work with. Right now it is empty. This is folder we're going to download everything to. We're going to do all of our converting and everything in that folder. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go here. I decided to go with the Smash Brothers theme, so this is the picture that I'm going to go with. And make sure, guys, that when you download a picture, make sure that it is 1280 by 720. If it's any larger than that, guys, especially what was it, the 1920 by 1080 or something like that, guys, it won't work. You'll come up with an error. Your switch won't boot up because of the file size. If it's like 2 megabytes and bigger, I've noticed it had an issue with that. But this is just fine. If you download 1280 by 720 or anything lower than that, you'll be perfectly fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and download this particular image here. We're going to save the picture as a PNG file, of course, and we're going to save it into our switch folder here. All right. Now. So as you can see, is a PNG file. Now we need to convert this image, guys. We need to convert it over to a DDS file. Now I use an online converter. This is what I do right here. Whatever image you have, whatever you want to convert it over to, just come down here and click it. All right. Since we want to go with a DDS file, we're going to click this right here. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to load up our PNG image into this section here. Alright. I'm going to open it up. Now, this is very important too, guys. Go down to this pull down window right here. Make sure you select 16 bits per pixel. Okay? I've used 24 bits, guys, and it makes the file much bigger. And yeah, the switch can't handle that. So go make sure you go with 16 bits per pixel, guys, really. Okay, you shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. And then simply come down here and convert file. Now once it converts, it's going to take you to another, it's going to open up another window and it will ask you to download it where you want to download it to. Okay, so here we are, and right down here that is asking me if I want to open it up or save it or whatever. I'm going to save as. I'm going to save it in our switch folder, which is already opened here. We're just going to save it right in there just like that. Okay, so we're done pretty much with the internet. We got our DDS file here. We're good. Okay. Close that out. Now, this is where our programs are going to come in handy, okay? So, this is the contents of this archive right here, guys. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to start extracting our programs here. Alright, and also this one. Okay. Alright, so this is what we got. These are your instructions, guys. Let me open it up real quick. I've actually got a link to that commons file, the SZS file right here, and also for the switch theme tools right here. Here's the instructions I was talking about for the 5.1, and I've also got it right here for the 6.0. And down here I got the converter website right here, the link. But all these links, guys, gonna be in the description, so you really don't have to worry about that. I just slammed them in here anyway. But yeah, that's that. This actually tells you what you need and all that stuff. But anyway, close that out. All right. So the first program that we're going to use, guys, the first program we're going to use is the Injector version 2. So we're going to open that up, and we're going to click on the extension here, and we need to open that SZS file up, which is in this folder right here. All right, we're looking for that file right there. So we're going to open this up. We're going to go to desktop, and we're going to go into switch theme tools and common folder, and there's our file right there. So we're going to load that up, and this is what I was talking about. We need to export that bntx file from this. So we're going to export that file into our switch folder. Okay, so it says done. Guys, do not, I repeat, do not close this program out. If you do, you're going to have to start over, because once you open it again, you won't be allowed to click this option. Okay, you have to go back and reopen this up and all this good stuff. Okay, so just go over here, click this option right here, and leave it open. All right. So since we're done with that, let's make sure that it did go in there correctly, and there's our file right there. It's called combined.bntx. Okay, now for the next program is going to be the bntx editor. We're going to open that up, guys, and we're going to go down to the extension right here, the bntx editor extension. We're going to open it up. We're going to click on open. So what we're doing, we're going to be looking for the bntx file. Okay, so that we can go to desktop, go in our switch file folder, and we're going to click on the bntx file, and we're going to open it up in our program. Okay, come down here, guys. Next step is we're going to go to this pull down window right here, and we're going to scroll down to right here to where it says white 1x1 180. All right, click that. All right, and then we're going to head on over here, and we're going to hit replace. What we're going to do, we're going to replace that with the DDS file. Okay, so we're going to click that file, and we're going to open it up. This window here will pop up. Do not check anything, don't do anything, guys. Just come down here and click OK, and then your image should pop up over here. Okay, come up here to save as. Okay, I'm just going to save it as a 1, and we're going to save it right in that switch folder just like that, just to distinguish it from the other file. So we can close it out, go in here, and there's our file right there. Okay, so we're good. Alright, now this program, this is where this program comes in handy once more. Alright, we got to load that file that we just created up in here. Okay, that bntx file, that number 1. Alright, so we're going to click on that, we're going to open it up, and then we're going to come over here and click patch and save. Alright, so what we're going to name it, we're going to name it common. That's what we're going to name it, and we're going to hit save. Alright, open up our folder here, and it's going to take a second or two before it shows up in here, because it's converting it or patching it, whatever we're going to call it. Okay, so there we are. There's our file right there, guys. That's what we need. So let's get out of all this right here. Alright, now I want to open up, this is my SD card for my Switch right here. Now, why did we download this Winter Odyssey? Well, let's extract it. And it probably popped up way over here. It did. Okay, so what we have, we can open it up, this is what we're going to need, guys, right here. Okay, we need this directory structure right here. We need that file, and this right here. Yes, and there's our common right there. What we're going to do here, you simply just delete that. You don't need that. Okay, what you're going to need to do, copy this right here. Now, if you if you're working with Atmosphere, guys, you want to go in here, go into titles, and then this file right here, you would just drag and drop it right in here. Okay, just drag and drop it right in there. If you're working with RayNX, you would have a RayNX folder here, and you would go into it, and that would go into the titles folder in that folder. Okay, since I'm working with SXOS, then I would open up, go into my titles here, and see there's my file right there. I just drug it right on over. Okay, I'll show you, and there's my my current custom theme right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, back out of this, and we're going to go into that switch folder right here. And I'm just going to cut it. Well, you know what? Let's copy it, because I saved these things. I've got a couple that I've already did. But yeah, I'm going to copy and paste it right in there and replace it. Okay, so we're good. So anytime it's like over 2,000 kilobytes, that's where it seems like I had a problem, guys. The switch would crash, or you know, come up with an error. It wouldn't boot up. All right, so we should be good there. All right. So yeah, that's good. So we can put our SD back in the switch, guys, and we'll head on over there, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. Alright, guys, so you're ready to look at Smash Brothers on the Nintendo Switch. Let's check it out. Wow. So that's pretty cool, guys. I really like that. It might be a little too much color in there, I believe. But yeah, I mean, it looks really good though. Let's go into all software and see what we got. Yeah, see, it's kind of all blended in, really, but overall looks pretty sweet. Let's go to settings. Oh wow, you can't even see the yeah, definitely probably want to go with something maybe darker or something. I don't know, but yeah, that's it, guys. There's the custom theme right there. It's really awesome. But I hope it helped you guys out, and I'm going to end the tutorial here, guys, and I'll see y'all guys on whatever I do next. Tutorial, let's play, whatever. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.